Hi and welcome to another look at what's new in Visual Studio Team Services. I'm Alex Nichols, a PM on the VSTS team. And today we're going to be looking at a few of the features that are in VSTS Sprint 132 update, which is rolling out April 2018. And first I want to talk about if you've got multiple dependent teams or a large product in your organization, you'll want to check out the build completion trigger. And this allows you to chain two related builds together and come up with a larger component. And then if you deploy to virtual machines, you want to go ahead and check out the deployment groups feature. This is something that we've had in preview for a while, but allows you to deploy with high availability across rolling updates of different machines. If you're familiar with Azure DevOps projects, that's where we actually set up a deployment group for you if you use the virtual machine option. But today I want to take a couple minutes and spend some time on a few of the smaller features, but those that could just help you out day to day. So first, over in pull requests, if you on your next pull request, you'll notice a couple things. First, we've made the title required, but then down here in description, we've added this one-click feature where I've got this this pull request here with a couple commits in it. I've described them. Now you can just one-click add those commit messages into your description. So just like that. And then over in Wiki, a lot of projects nowadays are maintaining code documentation. It might be written in markdown, and it's alongside the code. Now you can use the power of Wiki to take a repo and actually publish it. So alongside maybe the wiki that comes with your project here. So now, instead of pointing your collaborators to a repo folder and having them sift through files or folders, you can actually point them to an organized wiki. Plus, that comes in handy if you're looking to author some updates. So the way that you do that is you can select the wiki, and now you can publish code as wiki. You get this dialog here where you can select the wiki, the repository, the version, the folder, and give it a name. And then when you do that, you'll get a wiki that takes in your markdown files. And in this case, I pulled in this existing repo with a changelog, with a README, and it's all right there in the rich wiki experience. And then overall, I want to talk a bit about analytics. So as your organizations do work and continue to grow, it becomes increasingly important to report on all that activity and turn that activity really into insights. This is something that we do internally to look at quality as we look to ship Team Foundation Server as it gets closer and closer to the release. You can also look at it in terms of features, which is what I'm going to show right here. So this is great where you might be using dashboards and some of the widgets that come with dashboards. You might even have the analytics extension that gives you some more richer features there. But this is really about creating something custom where you want to dig into something maybe more specific. So we've got this analytics hub with the analytics views, and I can come in here and see that we got some bug views, and we got some work item views. Let's say that I want to go create a new view, and in this case I want to search for features. Let's say I want to analyze features over the last few months, maybe slice it by week. So I can give it a name. Maybe say it's by week. And I can say whether it's a private view just for me or a shared view. Continue. I can filter by team or by area path. Add some other filters. In this case, I'm going to be filtering for just features. I can select the fields that are going to be in my view for analytics, and you can either choose the recommended or get custom here. And then history is important because you want to see how far back do you want to pull. So in this case, I'm going to say 90 days. And then what's the granularity? So this could be daily, weekly, or sort of monthly snapshots. And then we give you a nice kind of verify feature to see, hey, is this query going to generate a lot of time? Is it going to take a long time to run? And after I save that, what's going to happen is this view is going to be there, and then I can go into Power BI and use these views, see these out-of-the-box ones or my custom views, and dig in and use all the features of Power BI to analyze my work item data. All right, so that's it. And I want to thank you for watching. And I want to encourage you to check out the release notes and the associated docs. Remember that VSTS is a great way to help you get going on your DevOps journey. It's where you can plan better, code together, and ship faster. So I want to thank you for watching, and go ahead and subscribe for more videos.